Hello, everyone. Tax season is coming up. Can you outsmart the IRS from not taking your crypto gains? That and more in this video on the Crypto Doc. Like everyone on YouTube, this is a disclaimer that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor or tax preparer, and that everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So today, we're going to be talking about what a lot is. And I find that when I say the phrase or word a lot, that I always think about that I'm saying a phrase that represents what is plenty. But, set that aside, what a lot is basically a lot is the amount of cryptocurrency you bought at a specific price on a specific date and time in a specific transaction. So let's see what lots mean from a practical point of view. And this will help you visualize that. So let's say you bought one ETH at a price of $500 and paid a 50-cent fee on November 1st, 2018. The cost basis for this transaction is $500.50. Then you bought half an ETH at a price of $1,000 and also paid a 50-cent fee on April 3rd, 2019. Finally, you bought 1/3 of an ETH at a price of $3,000 and paid a $1 fee on May the 4th, 2021. So with this information, I can feel what you're feeling. There's numbers everywhere. But we have to use these numbers in order to answer important questions that will help us deal with our taxes and get back to the IRS. So the first question is, how much money did I spend in total? What is my total cost basis? And how much am I gaining or losing? So to answer the first question, how much money did I spend? We have to go back to the 3 lots. So 2 of these 3 lots you paid for with $500.50 each, and the third lot you paid for with $1,001. So if we add up all the cost bases of each lot, we get a total of $2,002. This happens to be the total cost basis, answering our second question. So now we know what our total cost basis is. How do we know how much we're gaining or losing? What we have to do is to go back again to our lot picture. This time, the information that we are using for each lot is different than the information we used to answer the first 2 questions. Here, we are focusing on the price and amount of ETH we purchased. So we do this to calculate something called the average price. And the average price equals to the total money you spent to purchase the ETH without including the fees divided by the total amount of ETH purchased. And when you crack all the numbers in and mush them together, you get a total of $1,090.90. That's the average price of 1 ETH for these 3 lots. So now we have to use the average price in order to know what our gain or loss is. So because I still have not sold my position, my gain or loss is described as unrealized. And I can calculate that by subtracting the average price from the price right now of ETH and dividing that by the average price and multiplying it by 100%. When you crack in the numbers, you see that eventually the gain that I got, or unrealized gain, is $1,909.10, which is a 175% unrealized gain. So what did we just do? And this will help you visualize what we just did. If we go back to the 3 lots with all the info attached to them, what we basically did with all the math is that we mushed all the lots together in one big lot. Now, we use the numbers that we calculated, and this new lot represents 1.833 ETH at an average price of $1,090.90 per ETH with a $2 fee. And if you want to double check the math, you can calculate the cost basis of this mushed lot, and it would equal the total cost basis we calculated at the beginning. Now, this is the big question to answer and is the reason why I'm making this video series, which is how does managing lots impact my cost basis and capital gains and losses? And we'll talk about this in the next video. In the meantime, if you felt this video was helpful, please press like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And until next time, this is the Crypto Doc